if you think about all of the, and mind you, it might not even be the conscious thoughts, but there could be thoughts going around in our brain that are ready to come out, but we self-criticize ourselves so hard that they never really happen and they don't really become thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wondering how much that happens because we're so self-critical.
Yeah.
And there might be like 100 great thoughts coming that we've taken in from
and they
just the
get
environment.
smushed down.
And they don't make it to being a thought.
Yeah.
That we think of.
That's called your inner critic.
No, but the inner critic doesn't even exist because he's not reporting to the rest of the brain.
No, that's an actual thing from psychology, though. That's an inner critic. That thing that smashes that idea, what you just said.
So it's a department, it's a middleman that's killing it to becoming a thought?
Who we create, like it's made up in our brains that, I can't do this.
But we don't even know what drives that person.
Bingo.
We don't even know who pays that paycheck so we can get him fired.
Bingo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Holy shit.